Hi guys, Jez from Dual Sport Europe here. Okay, what I'm looking at the moment is the track tool from Enduro, Engineering Enduro, or Engineered Enduro. Fantastic, really cool tool. So basically what we have here is a whole bunch of bits that are on super strong magnets. Interchangeable with an extension. So what I was curious about is with KTM, when you get your KTM EXC, amongst a couple of other things. So yeah, I mean you get the what is this? This is a spark plug tool. So you get this T-bar, and then you get this funny kind of pack of bits in a plastic container. Let me see if I can pull this out. Right, hang on a sec. Which is, of course, you can see it's actually a bit of a pain. Okay, so in here, what do we get? Oh, look. Never actually opened this, and you see this container just keeps all the crud in there. So we got a T45. All right, let's get all these puppies out of it. So all nicely rotting away in some plastic container. We've got 6mm. 8mm, various torques. I mean, what's that going to be? Like a TX2, TX15. Oh, didn't even realise you got a flat-headed screwdriver bit. That's a bit of a waste of time. I don't know why they bother putting that in there. Probably for the clutch covers or the clutch reservoirs or brake reservoir or something. And then what else do we get? We get a 10mm. So that, for your finest thousands of pounds, is basically the KTM toolkit that comes with your EXC, and this like kind of really cumbersome T-bar. You can see they all fit onto here. So these are basically useless with any hex drive that you get, because they will only fit onto, sorry, with any 1/4" drive you get, so because they will only fit onto that hex. So basically a whole bunch of pretty rubbish waste of time. Now if you think on this, we basically have the Torx bits, the flat-headed screwdriver bit, all of the bolt bits, and then a whole bunch more as well. So we've got some Phillips screwdrivers on here, we've got some Allen keys, hex keys. This standard length is basically the same size as the OEM KTM, but then of course I've got an extender, so I can kind of go all the way out. Now pretty much that's the KTM trail tool, as it were. They reckon that you can do anything you need to do on your bike on the trail with that. To me it's a bit short, which is why I carry a few other bits and pieces. And then this is the DoubleTrak tool from Enduro, and I can replace it all with more for something that's actually more compact, and I think probably more useful than these pretty rubbish bits. Not bad, huh?